Ubekwendlini yakhe yokugcina namhlanje lo bengamele zokubusa ngokubambisana eNorthwest uGordon Gihagilwe. Kepha amanye amalungu eqembu elibusayo athi kuyobe abenziwanga ubulungiswa uma kungaqhutshekanga lapho egcine khona amalungana nokunqanda uqhekeko ku-ANC nokuphathana ngendlela efanayo. Le ncwadi efundwe kulo mngcwabo ibibhalwe nguNono Baloyi oyilungu lesigungu esiphezulu se-ANC.
Allegations which are made in that letter have a serious impact on the abuse of power and authority, and I think the Inspector General of the Intelligence Services will have to assist, the responsible ministers will have to assist, and a proper complaint must be made by those who are affected to be recorded, because it was not only Comrade Nono, even Comrade Takanyane also spoke to that particular effect. But what we call for is that we must unify the ANC.
Ugihagilwe ubeyingxenye yethimba lesifundazwe elengamela imikhankaso yokugwema ukuphepheteka kwegciwane icorona okungumsebenzi akade wenza ngisho ekhaya.
In one of the funeral family members, when the lockdown started, he insisted that, and he warned them to say that COVID is coming, and some of the family members, the loved one, will be buried without their family observing them, and unfortunately it has to happen to him, and we obviously echo his messages that he has been preaching, and we have experienced it. That is not easy, and we will wish for no one to experience this kind of experience.
Ugihagilwe obeneminyaka ngama-53 53 ushone ngomsombuluko wona lona emva kokuxinwa isifo esihlobene ne-COVID-19. Kushiya emhlabeni inkosikazi yakhe nezingane ezintathu nezingane zakwabo eziyi-14.